Today, I'm excited to show you an easy and free way to create instrumental tracks from your favorite songs, perfect for background music or singing karaoke. We'll be using AudiFab AI Audio Splitter to separate the vocal and instrumental files from the source.
The place can hide when we have a nightmare.
AudiFab is the best free vocal remover for Windows and Mac we've come across. Compared to online free voice removers, AudiFab preserves superior audio quality. Plus, it's ad-free. When compared to tools like the Ultimate Vocal Remover from GitHub, AudiFab is straightforward and user-friendly. Unlike YouTube's karaoke versions or others, which require a stable internet connection, AudiFab's downloaded karaoke versions can be used offline. Apart from vocal removal, AudiFab has other useful features as well. Now, let's get started with the AudiFab AI Audio Splitter. First, visit the official website or follow the link provided in the video description to download AudiFab for free. Next, prepare the song's MP3 file for karaoke conversion. For obtaining MP3 files, use AudiFab as well. Once ready, open the AudiFab software and navigate to Tools AI Audio Splitter. If it's your first time using this tool, you'll need to install a plugin, so make sure your computer has enough memory. After installation, drag and drop your MP3 file into AudiFab until you see the move prompt. Now, configure the settings according to your preferences. I'm selecting FLAC format to save the best audio quality. Click on AI Split to start the separation process. Feel free to do something else while waiting. Once it says complete, click on it, and a folder will automatically pop up with your song perfectly split into vocal and instrumental, karaoke, versions. Now, you can grab your microphone and start singing. To listen to the full music effect, check out the article 10 Best Taylor Swift Karaoke Songs. If you found this video helpful, please like or follow. Thank you for watching.